Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So this is our third video of ADF series. Okay, so in this video we'll see how to connect other pipelines with your current pipeline. Okay, and how to use multiple activities in a same way. Okay, in in a single what I can say single run. Okay, so this thing we'll see in this video. Okay, so if you have not watched our previous video, please do watch our previous video because this video is connected with our previous videos. Okay, the copy data activity, delete activity, the how to create the link service, how to create the data sets, this all the things are related. Okay, so directly jumping this video you will not able to understand. I would request you to see the other videos and come back to this. Okay, so basically what we'll do today, so how to run other pipelines from your current pipeline. Okay, so basically delete pipeline I have a different pipeline, for copy pipeline I have a different pipelines. Okay, so after copying the data from our source file, so for now in our sync file I don't have any file, so this is a log folder as I have shown you earlier. Also this is a log folder, this is nothing, but in sync container I don't have any data file. Okay, but in source file I have the data file. Okay, so here so this file I want to copy to the sync path. Okay, but after copying the data I don't want this file to our source path, because whenever new folder will be added. Okay, so this will be a redundant data. Okay, so in real-time scenario also it used to happen like this. So once we copied our data from the source path, it will get deleted. Okay, so that thing we'll try to implement here, kind of that thing. Okay, so first of all I'll go to my delete pipeline. So last in our last video we have configured our delete pipeline for the sync path to delete the file from sync path, but here I need to change it, because after copying the data from source path I need to delete the source path data. Okay, so I am just changing the source dataset path, source path dataset I'm giving it here, and here the link service will be same, only I need to change the folder path. Okay, let's do the test connection. It is okay. Okay, let's publish it. So my delete pipeline is almost ready. So my delete pipeline is almost ready. Okay, almost, not almost, it's ready. So why it is showing me like this? Okay, nothing, so it's done. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll go to my copy pipeline. Okay, so here after copying the data I want to delete my file from the source path. So for that I need to run the delete pipeline. After copying the data I can directly use one delete activity. I can directly use one delete activity here, and I can connect it like this. So I need to just configure it, so it will get done. But whenever I will have multiple copy pipeline, okay, multiple copy pipeline from multiple source. Okay, that time if I will delete, I will use the delete. Okay, mm, multiple time. So I need to create the delete activity for uh, each and every file path. Okay, each and every pipeline. Okay, so I don't want to do that. So for delete pipeline I will create just only one delete pipeline. and I will use the delete pipeline for each and every copy pipeline. Okay, so that thing how we'll do. So we'll use the execute pipeline notebook here, activity here. Okay, so I'll connect it. Once the copy pipeline will be success, then only it will get triggered. Okay, so here just I need to configure my pipeline. So invoke pipeline, it's a delete pipeline. Okay, I need to wait for the completion of the previous pipeline. Okay, so it's done. I have invoked. Okay, so I have patched the data pipeline. Okay, so now I'll try to trigger it. Let's trigger it and see it is working fine or not. So in the monitor tab I can see my pipeline is running or not. Let's refresh. Copy data pipeline. Let's open it, and it is in progress. The copy data is only in progress. After that it will run the second pipeline. The second pipeline it will trigger, and after that the full pipeline execution will be completed. Okay, so let's wait. So it's done. Let's see it happened or not. So I'm in source container. The source container data should be deleted. It gets deleted. Only the log files is here. Okay, so in sync, let's see, sync container was not having data. Now it is having data. So 111, so 113 it is just 111, it got executed, and the data is copied here, and the from the source path the data gets deleted. Okay, so I think you have understood the concept. This is the funda, how to use the multiple pipelines, how to execute it. Okay, so we'll see this kind of tricky thing and other activities, okay, in our upcoming videos. You don't need to worry. I'll give you the I'll give you the main idea of this data factory in this full video play series. Okay, just stay tuned and watch the video with all the videos without skipping it. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, so as I told you, it's a non-profitable initiative. I am also using the free data factory account, and there are lots of dependencies. I can't use multiple I can't use many different kinds of activities also, which is important for the free trial version. As it's a non-profitable deal, it is a non-profitable. I'm not able to purchase the pay as you go account also, so that's why I need you guys support. Okay, to use the other main activities to show you, to teach you the thing. Okay, so please support us, and just only support means just only share with your friends, with a bigger audience. Okay, so that will complete our the rules of monetization, okay, of our YouTube channel, so that the channel gets monetized, and we can get money from this YouTube. So using that money only we can buy the subscription, and we can provide you much better facilities to learning. Okay, all the contents are free for you guys. You don't need to pay anything. We just need your support. Okay, so thank you for watching our video. Bye.